Hello guys, I am Devkumar. This video going to say about array implementation of queue editing. The aim is to create a queue and implement the function insert, display and insert, delete and display. So that we're going to create a class and class name as queue and defining a constructor function underscore init underscore of self comma s. And next we're going to declare a queue so that we giving a self dot queue equal to list of and self dot maximum equal to maximum size equal to yes, and self dot q equal to none into self dot maximum size, and self dot front equal to -1, and self dot rear equal to -1. And next we're going to insert a element in the queue so that we're giving a if condition like if dot rear equal to self dot maximum size -1. The condition is satisfied, it will print a queue is full, or else we can insert a element in the queue so that we give a condition as if self dot front equal to -1, if self dot front equal to 0, if self dot rear plus 1 rear plus equal to 1, we can insert an element in the rear of the queue. Self dot q equal self dot q of self dot rear equal to data. And next we're going to delete an element in the queue so that we giving a condition like, so if self dot front equal to -1 or self dot front equal to my self dot minus maximum size. If the condition is satisfied, it will print a queue is empty, or else we can delete an element in the queue. So that self dot q of self dot front equal to none, self dot front plus equal to 1. And next we're going to display the element in the queue. After many insert and delete, we can display the remaining element in the queue so that we're giving a condition like if self dot rear equal to -1 or self dot front equal to self dot maximum size. If the condition is satisfied, it will print a queue is empty, or else it will display the remaining element of the element in the queue so that we're giving condition as I equal to front self dot front, and while y less than equal to self dot rear, and print self dot q of I equal to I plus 1. And next we're going to see peak. Peak means latest element in the queue or top element of the queue is a little displayed in the output. If the condition is if self dot rear equal to -1 or self dot front equal to self dot maximum size, the condition is satisfied, it will print a queue is empty, or else it will pick the element in the queue. And next we're going to do a menu driven program so that we're going to get a user input like size equal to int of input of enter the maximum size of the queue. And next we're giving it 5 choices. First choice is insert, and second choice is delete, and third choice is display, and fourth choice is peak, and fifth choice is exit. And we're getting a user input like int of input of enter the choice. If we give choice as 1, we can insert the data. If we give choice as 2, we can delete the element in the queue. If we give choice as 3, we can display the remaining element in the queue. If we give choice as 4, we can pick the element in the queue. If we give choice as 5, we can exit the coding. If we can exit the program. And see, you can see the output. Enter the maximum size of the queue. We can give I'm going to give a maximum size as 2, and I'm going to insert the element. And first element as 25, and second element as 30. And we're going to display the element so that we're giving a choice as 3. Now the element is displaying. Now we can pick the element in the queue so that we're giving a choice as 4. The picked element is 25. And next we're going to delete the element in the queue so that we're giving a choice as 2. Now the element is deleted 25. And next we're going to delete the element in the queue. So I thought we're going choices 2. Now the element 30 is deleted, and now going to display the remaining element in the queue. Now the element in the queue is empty, and we can exit the program. So that we're giving the choices 5. That's all, guys. Thank you.